what we do is we provide virtual mentoring sessions. We talk about life skills, peer pressure, bullying, everything that they're not learning maybe at home or at school. So the whole thing about this event, and let's bridge the gap, help us, help you continue to be a village for these young girls. And that's the whole reason why Steve and I are here today, to be able to drop some gems, share some knowledge, and still have fun with our cousins.
First baby girl, so definitely it's going to be a journey. Even the relationship that I have with my mom, just continuing to grow our relationship, communicate better, and things like that. So.
Private practice where I work with women and adolescent girls, navigating relationships with yourself, with other people, learning about boundaries, self-esteem, healthy coping strategies, learning how to regulate your emotions, right? When we have those bursts of emotions and energies, what do we do with that, and how do we direct that in a healthy way versus, maybe lashing out or
about healing from our past wounds. Some of you are young, maybe you don't have that, but guess what? Our parents, so you have to be understanding towards your mother, right? Because she has probably dealt with some past hurt, right? And sometimes that trickles down all the way through generations, right? So I want to share a little story. My son was 3 years old, had a beautiful birthday, right? He turned 3. And 2 months later, we lost him. She was doing what she saw. A lot of these young women in here are looking at you moms as role models. And they're doing, no matter if you recognize it or not, what they see. Okay? So, what I want to do is, not only with the parents, be these young ladies role models. If you come home and they see you cussing, guess what they gonna do? If you have unhealed wounds, if you have the things that you need to consume, reach out for help. That's the only way also that your young ladies are gonna be healthy since too, because a lot of this starts at home. Okay? Now, teens, that's something for you too. Respect.
Yeah. You need it.